Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to show you how to connect your DURACELL PowerBlock 500 you got from Costco probably to the Costco MASSIMO solar blanket that you also probably got from Costco. And because the solar input in the back of the PowerBlock 500 is different from the MASSIMO's adapters, you're going to need another cable. So I've been already charging for the past couple of weeks using the MASSIMO 100 watt solar blanket to my DURACELL 500 or the PowerBlock 500, and it's pretty straightforward and it's very simple. Now, as you can see, there's the solar blanket, and I have a red cable coming in. This is a 2.1 millimeter HPP connection to a 5.5 millimeter DC connection. So it's online. You could get it on Amazon and stuff. It's from iGlee, and it works pretty well. Now, they also have a Y connector too that you could connect two of those solar blankets together. Probably, I haven't tried it yet, guys, but I'm going to try it as soon as I get another solar blanket, as soon as they don't sell out of those things. But I could already put about 90 watts off of one of the 100 watt solar blankets. So I assume if I put both of them together, it should be close to 200 watts, which this DURACELL PowerBlock 500 could take. Now, once you get these connectors, the HPP connector may be in a different alignment, so you have to slide them off each other and reconnect it so they're parallel, so it matches the DURACELL 500 connector. So it's actually very simple. Just basically slide them off, and then you slide it back on. You can see those tiny little tracks in there. Once you get it aligned, as you can see, it's actually side by side, and you just go ahead and plug it in. At first, I thought I got the wrong connector, but it wasn't. It actually goes right below it, which I thought was pretty smart. So it's pretty useful in that case. And of course, slide that cover back on, that little jacket back on, so it looks better, and it doesn't show. So anyways, that's about it, guys. There comes with other adapters with it, so I never had to use it. I connected directly from that from the solar blanket to that cable, and the cable to the DURACELL charge port. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this quick help tip is helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.